Welcome to Havre de Grace, Maryland, a charming harbor town where the mighty Susquehanna River flows into the vast Chesapeake Bay. Today, we'll take a scenic drive through its beautiful waterfront parks, historic marinas, and the breathtaking Lower Susquehanna, Maryland's Scenic Byway. Our journey begins at Millard Tydings Memorial Park, a peaceful green space named after the Maryland senator who served in the early 20th century. The park offers panoramic views of where river meets bay, a meeting of fresh and salt water that creates a rich habitat for fish, birds, and wildlife. Just beside it lies the Havre de Grace Basin Marina, where boats sway with the tide, a scene that's been part of the town's daily life for generations. This area has been a crossroads of history and nature for centuries, from Native American fishing grounds to a key shipping port in the early United States. From there, we pass the Bayou, a beloved local restaurant and a reminder of the town's vibrant post-war years when Havre de Grace was a popular weekend destination. We arrive at Tidewater Marina, one of the oldest marinas in the area, known for its prime location at the mouth of the Susquehanna. Back in the 1800s, this waterfront bustled with fishing boats, oyster harvesters, and steamboats heading into the Chesapeake. The Susquehanna River, stretching over 444 miles from New York through Pennsylvania and into Maryland, is the longest river on the East Coast that empties into the Atlantic. Here, just before it meets the bay, the water widens dramatically, offering open views and a sense of calm. Now we join the Lower Susquehanna, Maryland Scenic Byway, following a portion that hugs the shoreline around Havre de Grace. Our drive continues to North Washington Street. The North Washington Street renovation project is almost complete, and the streets are open. Beautiful. Downtown Havre de Grace is looking better than ever. This is David R. Craig Park, named after a former mayor and Maryland state official. We entered Gene Roberts Park, a popular spot for watching sunsets over the water. The current bridge, built in 1906, replaced earlier ferry crossings and remains a critical link in America's passenger rail network. Not far ahead, we witnessed the Amtrak Susquehanna River Bridge, where the sleek Acela Express and other trains speed between Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York. Finally, we head onto the Thomas J. Hatem Memorial Bridge, carrying U.S. Route 40 over the Susquehanna River. This span, named after a Harford County legislator, first opened to vehicles in 1940. Crossing here feels like leaving one world and entering another, with sweeping views back toward Havre de Grace and the point where the Chesapeake Bay begins its reach toward the Atlantic Ocean. That wraps up our driving tour of Havre de Grace, a place where the river's history meets the bay's beauty, and where every street carries a story. If you enjoyed this scenic ride, please like, comment, and subscribe for more driving tours and hidden gems across America. Until next time, happy travels.